everyone, it's Jeraine and Mark Costales with the Costales Team. Today we are with our guest here, Virgil, President and CEO of Legal Services of America. Hey Virgil, thank you so much for spending some time with us today. Why don't you tell them a little bit about yourself and what you do in your company?
Thank you so much. My company, Legal Services of America, will now provide your company's buyers or sellers with lifetime protection. It means that for as long as that transaction exists, for either the buyer or the seller, you'll now be completely, totally protected under our Legal Services Buyer and Seller Risk Management Plan. And that is an exclusive benefit that's provided by these fine folks here at Intero.
So are you telling me that our buyers and sellers can just call and speak to an attorney, get their questions answered, and actually have an attorney on their side in the event of a dispute or if they need mediation?
Correct, exactly. As part of our service, if the buyer or seller has a legal question before, during, or even after the close of escrow, now those folks can call in and at no fee speak for 30 minutes per legal question, to even include things like trusts and wills. Whenever there's a problem, and we hope that there never will be, of course, Legal Services of America will help the buyer and sellers resolve their differences without any kind of expensive litigation.
Wow. And so let's talk about, you said after the transaction. So how long after the transaction does this coverage and client benefits still apply to our clients?
Good, thank you. It's forever. It's actually for the life of the transaction, meaning that for as long as the buyer lives in that home, or for as long as the seller's alive, their natural life, they are connected and legally protected.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Virgil. You've provided a wealth of information for us today.
Thank you.
Is there anything you would say to our clients that are maybe thinking about buying or selling in regards to this client benefit that we provide?
Thanks. I think that it would just be that, when you're looking for a realtor, you want to find someone that's, gone the extra mile and is going to provide this level of coverage that, you don't just see it out there. A lot of guys will tell you that they'll do a great job and they're hard-working realtors, but I really feel like with, this team, you're going to have something more than that.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Virgil.